Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to add an advanced filter within Looker Studio. So we just go up to add a control. We go to advanced filter. We move this wherever we want, and then we got options of like equals, contains, starts with, that sort of thing. And so we can go and have, right now it's populating our control field as state. We can go and just anything that contains M. And so now we can see that our state, we got Missouri and Michigan. And so that's one thing that we can do. And then we just go back, delete it, hit enter. But we can also come to our control field, and let's say we want to see some information surrounding our clicks. So we can do anything that is between, let's say we want to see anything that is between 10,000 and 20,000. And so once we are able to do, once we click on this, enter, so now we see that there's 3 campaigns and 3 states that are between 10 and 20,000, and you can do the same for equals, greater than or less than, those different types of criteria. So there's a lot you can do with this advanced filter, and especially with changing your control field and your criteria. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.